Welcome on the channel. Let's check it. Here is a output transformer for valve amplifier from AliExpress. Is sold quite cheaply, but is worth anything or not? So let's check is any good. Is for 5 kilowatt, 5 kilo load, so means it should be good for most popular single-ended amplifiers like EL84, PCL86, etc., etc. Everything for 5 kilo load. Of course, we can measure some induction resistance, etc., etc. But to tell the truth, the most important it will how it will behave in circuit of valve amplifier. So besides checking the ratio, comparing to anything other transformer, I will try to build quickly kind of simple single-ended amplifier power stage. So let's go. So let's build our test amplifier, similar to real life amplifier, music amplifier. So our tube, is our famous transformer load, second grid, 7 kilo, okay. From datasheet, 135 ohm, usual value of capacitor, let's say 100 microfarads. First grid stopper, let's say 1 kilo. To tell the truth, here is unnecessary, but we keep in the diagram similar to leak resistor 500, or no, I have 470 kilo, and coupling capacitor, it should be something like a 0.02. 2 microfarad, so 2. So it should be something like below 20 hertz of low pass band filter. Okay, so let's build something like that. Then we check how it works, means how works this Chinese transformer. Okay, to build it I will use one from the previous videos. I built kind of prototype board, so for this time we use this. So let's say our simply testing amplifier is ready. Power stage. Yeah. So right now just connecting the transformer load, switch on power supply, connecting the heaters, and of course feed the valve from the bottom. So this is our testing rig. So amplifier power stage, load 8 ohm. I not connect fan. This is should be finished somehow and sometime, but I don't know where. Here we have voltmeter, which measuring voltage on this small resistor. This is 10 ohm, so because of that it's simply to calculate 10 ohm, half of volt, 50 milliamp, something like that. Power supply for okay, so on. For heaters 6.3, high tension power supply, scope, generator, etc. So let's try to check something. Okay, generator is set for 1 kilohertz, just for check if everything is okay. Amplitude is too low to, but let's check it. Wait few minutes to properly heat tube and we will start it. Let's say everything works as it should works. This means with 1 kilohertz 1.34 volt is too little, definitely too little right now, but just to check in everything is okay. We're starting with 1 kilohertz and we check down and up. So right now I said the voltage is, let's say, 2.4 RMS, enough to check it. So okay, right now what we have, 1 2 3 4. Okie dokie, so we can start. So right now it's around 1 kilohertz, exactly 1.07 kilohertz, and we have something which will be power. Okay, I will calculate and write on the screen, but this should be around 1 watt power. And we start from 1 kilohertz and we're going down slowly. 600 hertz, 400 hertz, 200, and we see, so the sine waveform became a bit smaller, not much, it's just a bit smaller, became a bit smaller. Like I said earlier, this is too little iron in this transformer to will be good for low frequency, but up to now is quite nice. Right now 150 hertz, still good. It's a bit smaller, but and right now we have 88 hertz and is still above this standard 3 decibel. Okay, quickly change the range. Okay, it's 100 hertz, 79, so it means 80. 54, and I suppose right now it will be -3. It means yes, 1.4, so it's -3 decibel, and we have reading of, I don't know it's visible or not, 38 hertz. So it's quite good for such a small transformer, 38 hertz. And we have to remember, so this is around 1 watt power. Okay, so we back to 1 kilohertz. Okay, and we're going up. Change the range. Okay, we are around 1 kilohertz and we're going up. It's a 5 over 5 kilohertz, still is good. we are in the end of this range. It means it's 10 kilohertz. Good, but we can expect so it will be good. Okay, I change the range. Okay, we are around 10. "24 kilohertz is incredible good." And right now it starts shrinking, so yeah, right now 29 kilohertz. Chinese, good job. Of course, this is low power, 1 watt, but anyway, it's enough to listen. And I suppose, and this open feedback loop, no feedback loop at all, so could be better. Yeah, good. It means the results are much better than I expect. So it's much better than any vintage, so-called vintage transformer taken out from something. So many years ago everything was better. Not this cheap transformer are really good. Of course, this is simply test. It's not like a full frequency response checking, but is much better than I expect. I bought one for test, but probably I will buy another one just to build like a stereo amplifier. Okay, thank you for watching such a maybe boring video, maybe was interesting, maybe was worth to take a look for it. But if you wanna see more such a tests, this is like an amateur test. It's not like professional test. Subscribe to the channel, leave the comment, leave the like, and for sure I will test something more. I tested a lot of things, but making videos from it is quite huge job. See you next time.